Akunta Road eye kwan a servo mensura meka say nkoko hakura no one of the roads servo a lot of commercial entities. You was sorry 7 ewo ha. You was school kese mienu ewo ha. You hotel ne ekeka ho. Nipa bebre nso asisi adan momo saa nkrofo enu nyina nso no etua taxes ema government no. Na so esa akwan no say ase nti ama schools e ho ha no kra no awofo no ebinom eyi won mafiri ha hotels a ho ha no ye operate no obia empese obabio esa say aye death trap ya bo assembly member no amane the friend of Mr. Ofosubamfo na say ye to abanman no onim kra say haka ekwan a what ne constituency no ho enti me ankasa me call ne ho ne kokasa e bisa ne say the ekwan ati affect revenue ewo oman no mu if say generation of revenue no are restricted. What tell me say hakwan no there omfa hanti onim hakra enti assembly man there on kan kra say onim mo bia emaye na wonye untu anamo bia so say odebeboa ama hakwan no MC you feel say the mouthpiece of the community no can through the assemblyman enti ehon ye start here last year no me chiro letter say me person kunya machines no na kan metimi di twa kwan so kra several community no now so bill no ma me no on say me ntua 10,500 grading pe and also no me grade a kwan ba last year na bia 1 month e be san say nti mo on the mind no enya enough e betumi age e kwan mpempe de ya pese want to arrest the situation ono mamra bi nya adwuma wo ha emra anya adwuma ka ho na kwan asai number 1 Ghana water for airlines no egugu esoro enti wo de machine bia eto so a na onikita omnem enti ema so betwa so kra no a water sewage for ma kwan ma wonye enti yenya tumi efre municipal for no ho say yes ya mamu kwan say muntwa kwan no a eno sa tumi no yehia. Number 2 individual encroachment on the driveway no and so yehia say onumram because nipa binum asisi adan ewo kwan no ho a oni ni permit minim so one more permit dia but minim obi obema onipa so permit amana si kwan dan wo lord kwan mo enti anka municipal no entu nipa no mra no mehwe won a encroach on the road no a amoa no a enti no entimi function as a road and number 3 me target the Calic mission one agi asase ka si ato ha and I beye hindrance won't me kwan no mo one adua take na ya kase atwinso ba kwan no enti susan nso to susan nyina no e ba no kwan no frefre enum nyina no yehia say municipal no MC ochorete na say enua no aba kwan no onumubu na ona entra kwan no
Agonie 96.9 FM yati free